Here we are, Pioneer Plaza.
Dallas.
No, no. Here we're in Dallas, really. In the heart of Dallas, in the wee hours of the morn. There's the Omni. That's where we're staying. It's not really. Here we go. Look, Longhorn. Longhorn. Hey, some of them. Oh, okay. Let's see. There are 49 statues. 49 statues and three trailblazers. But they even got turkey necks. You don't know a turkey neck. There's one dude. Look, he's keeping them in line. Look, he looks angry too. He's like, get back in line. Look at him. Oh yes, look at him. Will you grab my camera and follow the stream through the water?
No.
With us.
Crazy.
Some stepping stones. Hey, he's having a drink. Look, on the trail.
He's thirsty.
He's thirsty. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Oh, I won't drink that. I don't know. It doesn't look good. It's not flowing. Hee. Yeah, look at him. Yes, buddy. It's morning light. Let's see. Oh, he's happy. Look at him. He wants to be on the trail. Hey, look at him go up there too. Yeah, he's got another rogue one, look. He's not happy. Get back on track. He's sinking in the ground, look at him.
Oh no.
Yes. Must be hard for him to run. There's the limestone cliff. Some water pipes there. It's totally not artificial. Hee. Kind of funny, huh? So, keep going. Oh, look at him. He's relaxing on the hill. No, he's having a break. Look at him. I think like he's at the back. It's kind of like he's like obviously the manager, isn't he? There's Rapidash. Oh yeah, well that's rest of the park there. Yeah.
Cemetery.
Rest of the park. Let's have a look over the edge. Woo. Oh, that's weird, isn't it? Look at that. So, got a pretty good view from here. What the? On the cow? This is a national monument. You better get off that cow. I'm just levitating.
Clearly.
Levitating. I'm not on one of these cows. Yeah.